Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to download a Zoom recording which doesn't have download button or download link. So first you have to click on this tab and find more tools. In more tools, you have to go developer tools. In the developer tools, you can see there is a context menu. In context menu, you have to click on this remove button. After click on remove, you have to click this one and select the video. Then you can see there's a link appear. You have to double click on that and right click and copy the link. After you copy, go to the top, check there's body class. You have to right click on body class and click edit as HTML. Then you can see this body class. It ends here. At the end point, click enter and make some space. Then type this one, A space href download a. Between here you have to paste the link you copy, right? Then click on anywhere you want. Then you can see there's a download button appears. Don't click on it. You have to right click on download button and link as. Then you can download your video easily. Okay, if this video helps you, please like the video and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.